This financial budget of 26 and 27 placed by central government, it is totally full of sound and fury. Totally it's a directionless, missionless, actionless. Economy is derailed. Anti-women, anti-poor, anti-farmers, anti-youth, anti-SC, anti-ST, anti-OBC. Education funds, education subsidy declined, social security subsidy declined, fertilizer subsidy declines. It is totally garbage of lies and incompetence, Himalayan incompetence. Totally economy is derailed. Now, you will see within this time, the market falls sharply. Sensex down above over 1,100 points. Nifty 50 has been below 25,000. So you can realize they have not given a single paisa to Bengal. Only one tax is there, GST. They are taking away our money and saying big talk. They are giving us money. It is our money. Now only one tax is there. What they are collecting from Bengal, they are not giving our food funds. Will get about more than 2 lakh crores from the central government. So they don't have any moral authority to run the government and to finish the country like this. They want to destroy the economic structure of the country, the constitutional structure of this country, the independent agency, including the infrastructural facilities, the economy, the social sector, the economic sector, the federal sector, all is being vanished, which common people can enjoy the facilities. সাধারণ মানুষের জন্য কিছু করেনি, তপশিলীদের জন্য কিছু নেই, আদিবাসীদের জন্য কিছু নেই, যুবকদের জন্য কিছু নেই, চাষীদের জন্য কিছু নেই, মহিলাদের জন্য কিছু নেই, ফার্টিলাইজার সাবসিডি বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে, সামাজিক সুরক্ষায় কিছু নেই, শিক্ষা দপ্তরে কিছু নেই। আর যে 3টে ফ্রেট করিডোরের কথা বলেছে, আমরা 3টে নয় 6টা করছি সারা বাংলাকে জুড়ে। কাজেই টোটালটাই মিথ্যে কথার ফুলঝুরি।